In this video, I'll show you how to send a photo or video in a TikTok message. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if you open up your TikTok, I'm not sure you can be able to see the option where you can be able to send someone a photo or a video. So if you want to send your family or your friend a photo or a video, the option is not here on TikTok, but you can as well be able to send them if you're going to be using your Google Drive. So I'm going to be using my Google Drive for this, and yeah, I think this is very cool for you to be able to do. So just click on this plus, click on upload file. Now you can be able to select a photo or a video. So let me see if I want to select a video now. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to upload mine now. Okay, now if you look here, you can be able to see one of my videos I just uploaded, right? So I'm going to click on this to copy the link. So this is a video, so I'm going to just open my message. I'm going to send it to them. So this is it. So what you need to tell them to open up this drive link on a browser. So once you open it up, you're going to be able to see the photo or the video you just sent to them here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.